For this problem, we're going to graph a function by using transformations. We want to graph the function f of x equals x minus 3 quantity squared minus 2 by using transformations. To do that, we first identify that the base function is y equals x squared. Next thing we'd like to do is list the steps that we would need to get from the graph of the base function to the graph of the given function. The first thing that we would need to do is shift the graph right 3 units. This will give us the graph of y equals x minus 3 quantity squared. Next thing we would do is shift down 2 units. That will give us the graph of y equals x minus 3 quantity squared minus 2, which is our function. So for each point on the graph of the base function, we would move that point right 3 units and then down 2 units. If we make a list of some points on the base function, just pick some values for x. Say we pick negative 3, then y is equal to 9. If we pick negative 1, y is equal to 1. 0 gives us y equal to 0. 1 gets us 1 again. And then positive 3 gives us 9. Each of these x-y pairs gives us an ordered pair, which is a point on the graph of y equals x squared. Then we can apply our 2 steps. We shift each point right 3 units and down 2 units. Go ahead and start by graphing our base function, and then we'll apply the transformations to get the graph of our given function. We'll plot our base function, y equals x squared, by plotting the points that we've obtained. We plot the point negative 3, 9. That's negative 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At that point, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 3, 9. And this is the graph of y equals x squared. That's our base function. Now we're going to take each of those 5 points that we plotted for our base function. We're going to apply our 2 steps. We're going to shift right 3 units and down 2 units. So if we go right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 2, we have the point 0, 7. Take this point, we go right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 2, 2. We get the point 2, negative 1. Take this point, move it over 3, 1, 2, 3, down 2. The point 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, down 2. Gives us the point 4, negative 1. And then 1, 2, 3, and down 2. Gives us the point 6, 7. Go ahead and connect those points. And this gives us the rough graph of our function f of x equals x minus 3 quantity squared minus 2.